You've just enjoyed a fantastic trip, paid for everything seamlessly with your YouTrip card, and now you're back, perhaps even planning your next adventure. But wait, you've linked a bank card for top-ups, and now you're wondering, how do I remove that bank card from my YouTrip account? Maybe you've got a new primary card, or you're just a meticulous digital organizer. Whatever your reason, you've hit a common point of curiosity for many YouTrip users. It's a familiar scenario in our increasingly digital lives, isn't it? We link accounts and cards with the greatest of ease, enjoying the convenience, only to find ourselves a little stumped when it comes to unlinking them. It's like setting up a brilliant smart home system, but then trying to figure out how to disconnect just one specific device without disrupting everything else. You want control, you want security, and you want to ensure your financial details are precisely where you want them to be, and nowhere else. Think about it. Your YouTrip card is a powerful travel companion, offering great exchange rates and a multi-currency wallet that simplifies overseas spending. It's designed for convenience, allowing you to top up on the go from your linked bank accounts. This seamless integration is part of its charm. But as with any financial tool, understanding how to manage every aspect, including the removal of linked payment methods, is crucial for maintaining peace of mind and data security. You wouldn't leave an old, unused key lying around if you've changed the locks, would you? The same principle applies to your digital financial connections. Perhaps you've recently had a card expire, or you've decided to consolidate your banking to a single institution. Maybe you're just reviewing your digital footprint and tidying up loose ends. Whatever the impetus, the ability to easily manage and remove linked payment methods from your YouTrip account is a feature you'd expect and need. It speaks to the broader theme of digital autonomy, the power to control your online presence and the data associated with it. So, how exactly do you go about untethering that bank card from your YouTrip account? Well, it's simpler than you might think, and thankfully, YouTrip has made the process quite straightforward, ensuring you have full command over your linked payment methods. There isn't a hidden labyrinth of menus or a need to contact customer support for this particular task. It's all within your control, right there in the palm of your hand, through the YouTrip app. The key lies within the YouTrip mobile application itself. This is your central hub for managing everything related to your YouTrip card, from checking balances and exchanging currencies to, yes, managing your linked bank cards. First things first, open up your YouTrip app. Ensure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main screen, you'll want to navigate to the top-up section. This might seem counterintuitive since you're looking to remove a card, but it's within this section that your linked payment methods are displayed and managed. Within the top-up screen, you'll typically see your various top-up options. Look for where your previously linked bank cards are listed. Each linked card should have an option to manage or remove it. It might be represented by a small eye icon, a settings gear, or simply the card itself, which you can tap on. Once you select the card you wish to remove, you should be presented with an option to delete or remove card. Confirm your choice, and just like that, the bank card will be unlinked from your YouTrip account. It's quick, it's efficient, and it gives you complete control. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.